Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE. This comes in a white exterior with a gray interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, as well as heated mirrors. Definitely a helpful feature here in Minnesota. And around the back we have the Highlander, Toyota, and XLE all-wheel drive badging and a power opening and closing trunk. This vehicle is equipped with a third row. As you can see, we've got one of those seats up, one of them down, just so you can see some of the storage space options back here. Taking a look at the rear seats. Have a look at the sunroof. Quick peek into the back. You can see our third row. With one seat up, one seat down, just so you can see the storage. And flipping this rear seat up is pretty easy. Just flip that lever there. Flip this lever here. And you've got even more storage if needed. Or you can fold them right back up for your passengers. Here we have our driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle here. We're currently at 54,348 for mileage. And we have a push button ignition. Do have heated seats, both the driver and passenger side. And navigation system. Radio. And backup camera. Climate controls right here. Shifter. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.